My people, update. Another one don't come again. I know say most of una know this lady, Amah Chisom. He don't come out oh. He come protest, say make dem free Ijele. Say Ijele Speaks, say he don't take for there for kirikiri since how many days? Say Ijele dey kirikiri. Say make dem leave Ijele. Say Ijele no do anything. Say na talk, na Ijele talk oh. Talk when e talk na im dem come carry Ijele go put am for kirikiri since 42 days abi 40 days Ijele dey inside kirikiri. Ijele no see sun for eye. My people, unbelievable. This one so e weak me oh. Make e no come be say I too talk. I go leave una where Amah Chisom for the protest say make dem leave Ijele. Say Ijele no kpai anybody. Say na talk oh, na im talk. Na im that the GO come put am for kirikiri. My people, how una check this matter? Make e no come be say I too talk. I go leave una una for hear everything for the horses mouth where you for the protest say make dem leave Ijele oh. Make una regade.
Free Ijele. Free Ijele. Ijele no by person na talking talk, which is a civil case. Free Ijele. Pastor ndị Igbo. Ayeyeyeyeye ụmụ Chineke. We move le. Pastor ndị Igbo hụrụ n'anya. Orukwala 60 days now, I'll be 50 something days they detain in Ijele over a civil case, over a civil matter. And some people will come out and call themselves Christian. And they put the whole mistakes in the Bible. No. They cannot church. Can I recognize the as Christians when their pastors go around doing a whole lot of things? We move. Now, what do I want to say, Pastor Ndibo? Sometimes it's not always good to fight some kind battles. Sometimes it's not always good to allow people fight your fight for you. No, na hane kuchitere go onoge. No, na they remember they are the ones they want to fight for you. They don't want any blogger to say ill things about their pastor. Only black anything about our daddy G onanya puchie. Stop allowing people fight your fight, because these people that wants to fight your fight are different human beings who think differently. Forget about your legality. When they're wicked naturally, despite being a Christian, they are wicked. You as a human being, you might consider and say, but the wicked souls around you, pretending to be Christians, will tell you that let's deal with this person, because they want to fight for you. They want the church to recognize, oh, so people are the ones fighting for that the G and na social media will come with our legal team. Daddy, it can with Ozikwa. Are you still trending? Do you know that trending in a trend, everybody is talking about you, bloggers are talking about you? That is what keeps you on the trend. That is what keeps you on the timeline. Emma, it can with Ozikwa now. Who and which blog wants to talk about you? Who and who wants to talk about you? Okay, this is the disadvantage of allowing people fight for you. I know in your mind and in your soul, Daddy, you want to forgive Ijele. You want to let go of Ijele. But the legal team, the people surrounding you, the people in your midst, the people controlling you, the people telling you what to do, will not allow you to forgive Ijele. Because most of them are bitter souls. Most of them want to prove a point with your name. Most of them want to show the money they have, want to show the powers they have, want to show who they are around you. I'm no be Chineke asiwala ge bahari Ijele. Let Ijele go. But the people around you are the problem. That is why, as a man of God, don't allow people fight your fight. Take your actions. Because the time you start allowing people fight your fight, that is when they start controlling you. Because they will start telling you what to do. Daddy, it can wizikwa now. Don't let things that are nothing spoil your name. I know a lot of people criticized you on social media. But as a man of God, it gotta happen down. Because the more the people criticize you, the more you get more popular, publicly, globally. Because people want to know, this man how they criticizing at Facebook, let's go to his church. This man that everybody is always talking about, let's go to his church. Don't you know the more bloggers were spreading your pictures and spreading your name all over everywhere in the world through the means of social media? A lot of people can ask, let's come to this church. You understand? Onye biazegi convert ya. Gwazie na ya some of them na social media ukwa onye wu akwa he jirila anya ha ho. But no. On the newspapers, you are the only pastor that keeps arresting people. Even the newspaper won't touch a boo news. They will only carry that negativity. This also pastor arrested Matthias before. That same pastor again arrested Ijele again now. On the news and the newspaper nebu. Stop allowing people fight your fight, because when you want to forgive, those people helping you to fight your fight will not accept you to forgive that person at that particular time. That the chawala. Sure you understand? Or the like face well out on social media. Because your legal team want to arrest anybody that speaks ill about you. Because you have people that are fighting your fight according to you allegedly, which you said that una otalegunu jebe case. I know you cannot be saying all these things. Oh, circle that the G.O. ani, circle pastor ani, gana where. Onye quote something about him may arrest and watch here. Kabia to zere ego na social media with a bell lawyer. Kabia to zere ego na social media with a gawa court. It's funny though. It's funny. But it keeps giving you bad name. No matter any other thing apart from free Ijele. Daddy G.O. na legacy mi ya. Free ya no Ijele. Nde na luchitere pastor go. Bikono. Free Ijele. Free Ijele. Ijele no by person na talk, which is a civil case. Free Ijele. Free Ijele. Daddy G.O. Nde church. Free Ijele. It's a civil case. Let's leave intimidation alone. It's a civil case. Free Ijele. Free Ijele. Free Ijele. Free Ijele.